A very good morning to my dear students. Welcome to Standard 1 Science class. My dear, this is the first video of this week, and in today's video we all are going to recall our chapter 6, our body. So let's start. Unit 4, our body, chapter 6. As we know that we all have different types of different parts of body, and all the parts of body have their different name and different work. Let's read first the parts of body very nicely. So my students, eyebrow, forehead, ear, eye, nose, mouth, arm, chest, stomach, hand, leg, knee, foot, toe. These are our parts of bodies. Okay? Head. Here it is written head, eye, ear, nose. Head is on the top of our body. Eyes. We all have two eyes. With the help of eyes we can see. Ear. We have two ears. With the help of our ears we can hear. Nose. With the help of nose we can smell or breathe. Okay? Next. Just I am making you recall that you can get it easily, that what we all have read in the chapter. Hand. Here it is written hand, mouth, arm, finger. With the help of hand we can hold the things. We all have two arms. With the help of arms we can move our hand. Yes, with the help of arms only we can do our work. Mouth. With the help of mouth we can speak. Fingers. With the help of finger we can grab anything in our finger, or we can catch also. When someone gives us by throwing, we can catch. How we can catch? With the help of our finger we can grab it. Next. Children, do you know what is stomach? Stomach, and whatever food we eat, where does it go? My dear, whatever food which we eat, that goes into stomach. Okay? Leg. With the help of leg we have two legs, and with the help of legs we can kick, we can run, we can walk, we can stand. Yes. Knee. With the help of knee we can bend our leg. Yes. Like with the help of elbow we can bend our hand. Yes. With the help of elbow we can bend our hands. So always remember that with the help of knees we can bend our legs, and with the help of elbow we can bend our hand. Next. There are 5 sense organs. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. Let's see. The first one is sight, hearing, smell, touch, taste. Here the work is done. Means, my dear, with the help of eyes. With the help of eyes we can see. With the help of ear we can hear. With the help of nose we can smell. With the help of tongue we can taste. With the help of skin we can touch or feel. Yes? Next. Here also you can see. With the nose, smell. Eye, sight, means with the help of eye we can see the scene. Taste. Yes, hear. With the help of ear we can hear. With the help of skin we can touch. These are the 5 sense organ which we have in our body, by which we can see the things which is around us. We can smell the things. We can breathe. We can smell the thing around us, either it is good or bad. We can taste with the help of our tongue. This is our tongue. You all have tongue? Show me your tongue. Very good. So, with the help of our tongue, we can taste the thing, that it is sweet, sour, salty, or spicy. With the help of ear, we can hear. Yes, we can hear that the sound is sound, music, mother, father scolding us, all the things we can hear when I will call your name, then you can listen to me with the help of your ear. Yes. Next, eyes. Eyes helps us to identify the color. Yes, eyes helps us to see. Eyes helps us to watch the television. Eyes help us to watch television. We can read books with the help of eyes. We can identify colors. We can identify colors with the help of our eyes. Okay. You can see here so many different colors are there. Blue, brown, black, pink, red, and so many colors are there. How we can identify? With the help of our eyes. Okay. Next, nose. Nose helps us to smell the things. It is a part of human body and it helps us to breathe. So nose is the part of a human body. It helps us to smell the things like flour, garbage. So many things are there. Garbage, the bad smell, and rose flower, very perfume, fragrance. So many different types of things we can smell with the help of our nose. Okay. Next, with the help of our ears, we can hear the sound of anything. Either it is drum or song or music or any videos, anything we can hear with the help of our ears. We use our hands to feel the things. We use our hands to feel the thing. Either it is soft, hard, rough, smooth, cold, hot. These things we can feel with the help of our touch, with the help of our skin. Okay? With the help of our hands, with the help of our touch, we can feel the things, that it is rough, smooth, soft, hard, hot, cold, etc. Understood? With the help of our tongue, we can taste the thing. Either it is salty, sweet, sour, bitter, spicy. With the help of our tongue, we can taste the things. Next, let's recall the definition of organ and sense organ. First of all, we will recall the definition of organ. A part of body, the body which does a particular function is called organ. Yes, like eyes. Eyes, with the help of eyes we can see. With the help of nose we can smell. With the help of mouth we can speak. With the help of tongue we can taste. With the help of ear we can listen. So these are the particular function of the body part. Yes, with the help of our hand we can write. So hand is an organ. Understood? With the help of our neck we can move our head left, right, up, down. So it is an organ because with the help of our neck we can move our head. It is also doing a particular function. So always remember, a part of the body which does a particular function is called organ. Example, legs. With the help of legs we can walk, stand, run, kick. Stomach, whatever food we eat, that goes into stomach, and then the stomach what do? In their very process being, then the food will get digested, then these are the process of stomach. Understood? Neck. With the help of neck we can move our head. Okay? Next, sense organ. Sense organs help us to sense the thing around us. To sense the thing like see, smell, touch, and here. So these are the sense organ which can sense the thing around us. Okay, so always remember, sense organs helps us to sense the thing around us. For example, eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Okay, next. Now my dear, today you all are going to learn a new thing from the chapter 6, our body. You will learn answer these questions. Okay, answer these questions from 1 to 5, and you will, what you have to do, you have to copy down these question answers in your copy very nicely, and I will explain each and every question separately with the help of the picture. So let's start. The first question is, how do our hands and arms helps us? The first question is, how do our hands and arms helps us? Our hands and arms help us to eat, write, hold and pick. To eat, write, hold and pick. Okay, see my dear students, with the help of our hands we can write. Yes, we can eat. Yes, we can draw the things. Okay, we can catch, we can hold, we can throw. So we can do so many things with the help of our hands. So my dear, what you will do, you will write the answer of first question. Our hands and arms helps us to eat, write, hold and pick, or catch or throw or draw. So many things are there. So you may write the answer, our hands and arms helps us to eat, write, hold and pick. Next question is, how do we breathe? How do we breathe? Okay, we breathe through our nose. We breathe through our nose. You can see this is the picture of our nose, and we breathe through our nose, and we also smell with the help of our nose. Yes, with the help of our nose we can smell, and with the help of our nose we can breathe. Understood? Next, which is the largest sense organ in our body? Which is the largest sense organ? The 5 sense organs are there: eyes, nose, ears, skin and tongue. Then which is the largest sense organ? Skin is the largest sense organ. Skin is the largest sense organ because it is from top to bottom. Yes, from head to toe, skin is there. So skin is the largest sense organ. Understood? Next, you can see here it is also written, skin is the largest organ in the human body. Okay, skin is the largest organ in the human body. It is the largest sense organ in the human body. Understood? Next question is, answer these questions. What do children become when they grow up? What do children become when they grow up? Children become adults when they grow up. Children become adults when they grow up. You can see in the picture also. You can see in the picture, a child is growing and growing and growing, and one day he is becoming an adult. One day a child is become an adult. So children become adults when they grow up. Okay. Next question. How many bones are there in our body? My dear, our body is framed on. The total structure of our body is framed on bone. You can see in the picture also, this is the frame of our body, and from head to toe we all have structural bone part. Yes, our body is based on bone only. It is a It is a structure of bone. And how many bones do we have in our body, my dear? There are 206 bones. How many bones? 206 bones in our body. How many bones are there, my dear? 206 bones. Okay? Next. So, my dear, I have explained you all the answer these questions. Now, you all will copy down these question answers in your science copy very nicely. Okay? From question number 1 to 5. Let's do the another one. In today's homework, you all will do page number 45. Page number 45, there are fun time and life skill given. I will explain you with the help of separately F, G, like this, each and every question separately I will explain you very nicely. So my dear, listen to me very carefully. Fun time. In fun time, what you have to do, rearrange the letters to form the names of body parts. Here it is, Y-double-E. What will be? E, Y, E, I, R-E-A, E-A-R, ear. H-C-N-I, C-H-I, C-H-I-N, chin. U-T-H-O-M, M-O-U-T-H, mouth. O-O-F-T, F-O-O-T, foot. G-E-L, gel. Gel is a body part? No. L-E-G, leg. So, my dear, you all will complete F, fun time question F in your book very nicely. Next, question number G. Question number G. What you have to do? Fill in the blanks. We have to see the picture and write the name. Two little eyes, E-Y-E-S, eyes, that open and close. Two little ears, E-A-R-S, ears, and one little nose, N-O-S-E, nose. Two little chicks and one little chin, C-H-I-N, chin. Okay? Two little lips, L-I-P-S, lips. With the dash closed teeth. With the dash closed in. The picture is of teeth. So what we will write? T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Okay? So you will complete question number G also in your book. Now here you can see in question number H and I. You have to not do this question, just I will explain you that how we can fill. If you are given two glasses of water, one is cold and one is hot, how will you know which one is what? With the help of our skin, we can feel the touch that the glass of water is cold or hot. When we will touch the glass of hot water, we will feel hot. And when we will touch the glass of cold water, what we will feel? We will feel the touch of cold. Okay? Next. Get 5 different food items like neem leaves. When we will taste the neem leaf with the help of our tongue, we can feel the taste with the help of our tongue, and neem leaves we will eat, what we will? How we will feel? We will feel bitter because the taste of neem leaves is bitter. Lime juice. When we taste lime juice, we feel sour. Why? Because lime juice is sour and sweet also. Both taste we will get. Tamarind we will taste, then we will get the taste of sour. Chocolate. When we will taste the chocolate, we will feel sweet. Yes? So we have to taste Here it is given means that we have to taste the different food and we have to justify the taste of that separately, and we have to note down that how mention the sense organ responsible for it. For the taste we use our tongue, and which type of taste we feel, this type of thing we have to mention. So just for the explanation I have explained it. You have to not write these in your book or copy. Next, life skills of that page only. Our body is a gift of God. We should take care of our body. Say yes or no for it. Do you listen loud music always? No. What you will write? No. No. Do you exercise regularly? Do you all do? Then you will write yes. We all do exercise. Do you put sharp object in your ears or mouth? No, we do not do like this. Do you brush your teeth twice daily? Yes, in the morning and at night before going to bed. Next is, do you sit very close to TV while watching it? No, these are not a good habit. So we do not do like this because it is harmful for our eyes also. Now my dear, you will complete your book page number 45. This page you will complete in your book very nicely, and you will read chapter 6 very nicely with the underlined hard words, which you have already got in previous videos and in the homework list also. So kindly read the chapter and complete your work. Learn the definition of sense organ and organ. Okay. Thank you for watching the video so patiently.